Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am flipping through 3 new sticker books from Planything, and these are currently available right now to purchase. If you are interested, I have my affiliate link down in the description with the discount code. Also, some new washi is releasing as well. I love Planything washi. I always use Planything washi because it's really good. Basic neutral patterns in some fun colors, so I love pulling these out. So I'm going to go over all the things that are releasing today, and then I'll do a little plan with me featuring one of these books or combining 1 or 2 of these books. First, let's go over the washi. So you do have a few options of washi and nice pastel color scheme to go with the spring vibes of this release. So we have this one that has like triangles, some stripe ones, hexagon, grid, and then a nice scallop. And then I put them on a piece of paper so you can see them a little bit better, all the different patterns. Really cute, really pretty, nice basic neutrals, even the colors. I love pinks and purples and all that to use in a spread, so really nice washi options. And then I'm going to flip through the books next. So let's go into this shapes and boxes. Let's move to you a little closer. So this is a 15-page sticker book and has 300 stickers in this book, and it's just going to be like box and shape stickers in this one in different colors and spring colors. So we have pink, you have the boxes, hexagons and circles, a darker pink, oops, page down. Then red, orange, here's the yellow, we got a deeper yellow on this one, green, and then a darker green, actually a darker green, and then blue, another blue, and then more of a royal blue on this one, and then purple, and darker purple, and a nice neutral tone for that one. Okay, so that is shapes and boxes. Let's flip through Happy Spring, because spring is coming up soon, at least here. It's coming up soon. All right, so here's the next one, or here's the next book. So we have all these spring, all the spring things, the florals, the cute little birds, butterflies. I love butterflies in a spread, so I'm excited to get some butterflies on my spread so I can do those little flying trails. Those are always fun to do. Some pretty spring houses, bird houses. Ooh, this one's really pretty. The purple with the dragonfly. That's really cute. Yeah, the purple and the yellow. Pretty. Then we have some boxes and bullet points. And then this one's more of a like pink neutral tone. Some fields of flowers. Ooh, I love this scenes. Those are really pretty. Oh, look how adorable these little bunnies are with the Easter eggs. Super cute. And the functional page, some florals, a couple of butterflies, and some bouquets of flowers, and then the boxes. And then we have some alphabet letters with florals, so A through J, and then K through Z. And these are all the decorative stickers are clear stickers, and then the boxes, those are obviously going to be on paper. So that is Happy Spring. That's a really pretty book. Next, seasonal ambiance. I love a good seasonal book, especially when it has a little bit, it has all the seasons in this one. These are good to have on hand because seasonal spreads are my favorite. All right, so we have a winter one with the snowman, gingerbread houses, ornaments, cute. New Year's. Oh, I love this with the cityscape and then the fireworks going off. Oh, look how adorable this one is. Valentine's Day. Then we get boxes. Spring. More bunnies. Cute little bunnies. I absolutely love this page. The watercolors, the palm trees. I don't like summer. Summers are my favorite. But I love like the summer aspect of like the palm trees and the beach and the, you know, that type of theme. So cute. Like, look how cute these are. Absolutely adorable. Flamingo, little fish. So cute. Okay, here are the boxes. Then we're going into the fall. with the leaves. Ooh, these are really pretty scenes. The cute little ghosties. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And then the boxes. And then we have some quotes. All right, so we have, if the plan doesn't work, change the plan. Go with the flow. To do a little self-care checklist. I'm doing this for me, all this and more. Don't worry, be happy. So you got a good mixture of quotes right there. That is seasonal ambiance. Then we have happy spring and shapes and boxes. Those are currently available right now, along with the washi. If you want to order, I always feel this pink one. This is like a good go-to washi right here for me. Pick up some washi because these are really good to have on hand. And then it's got some functional boxes and decorative sticker books. All right, so what I'm going to do now is just do a little spread. Just going to grab some pages and do a little plan with me. I kind of want to do something like a theme that's coming soon. So we have a Valentine theme in this book. So I want to use the Valentine stickers from this book here to decorate these pages. And then I could probably pull in this, oh yeah, this washi will work nicely. Perfect. And then maybe some of these, like pink, because there's pink and red in here. I always like books like this where it's just functional boxes in different colors that you can easily grab and go and work into a spread. Okay, so I'm actually gonna put down the decorative stickers first because I want to get these down first. Get some tweezers. I want this big one down first. Oops. Okay. So I need some white out. Oh, you know what? I should put the washi down first. So let me do that. All right, and this will go in the corner. Nice little scene. Oh, there's a little hot air balloon. That's so cute. And then I want to do, should I do the house up here? Because it's different. Okay, let's do the house over here. I'll put washi down here. Oops. Cut a little short, but that's okay. I'm just gonna lay down the washi first. All right, washi down. And I definitely want to use a hot air balloon, and then I can add some of these fun, like little ones around here. I like to try to keep it functional on this side, so I'm gonna keep with that. And then I will grab the boxes from this book. So I think there's red. Is there red? Yeah, I could do these red. I don't know if like it's just my eyes are messing with me. I don't know why they look sparkly. I don't know. They're not foiled, but they look sparkly to me for some reason. I don't know. I think I'm just seeing things. They're pretty. If they do have like a little sparkle dust on them, it's making a nice little effect that I can see. Okay, here's the next one. Let's put a round sticker. I'll put it here. Okay. And then let's see what other little decor stickers I can put over here. I like this little typewriter. I just like to place little things here and there. Oh, the donuts. That's cute. Stick it on top of there. Grab some more, I'll grab some pink boxes. Just do a pink one here. Could put something here. Maybe a car. Okay. And then put this little jar of treats over here. And then I can put some bullet points. I will grab these pink ones. See how easy a spread comes together when you have all the necessary, at least in my opinion, all the stickers you need to make a cohesive spread in like 1 or 2 sticker books, which is nice. Okay, so a couple of bullet points. Okay, that works. That side's cute. And then I'm gonna move to this side over here. So I don't think I have a red box. No. Oh, I have a pink one. Okay, I'll use this pink. It's a little different. You know what? I might change these bullet points. It's slightly different, but I might just change them to bring in the color over there. Or actually, I have another idea. So let me put this down first. And then I grab a circle in bed. And then I'm gonna grab this little box. Stick it over here. Okay, I guess it's going here. Actually, the pink is kind of similar, so it doesn't look too off, so that's good. Maybe I'll just keep it off because it looks a little odd that way. I don't think the pinks are too different, so that's good. Okay, back to the decorative stickers. I want to get this hot air balloon on the page. Cute. And then maybe I can do that one box. Where did I put it? Okay, I'm gonna add some more washi over here. And then I think I'm just gonna add a few bullet points here. And I'll just take these last 3. Make sure I'm still filming. Sometimes I get nervous, I stop filming. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, that works. Cute. Oh, quotes. Let's see if there's a quote I can add. It just depends on the size. Like, this is too big. If I would have left this open, maybe it would have worked there, but nope. I wonder if this will work. Let's do like a little to-do checklist, self-care checklist next to the checklist, I guess. I think that's the only one. Okay, I think that's pretty good. All right, so that's a spread using seasonal ambiance and shapes and boxes that combined very nicely together. Also, don't forget this washi. I feel like this washi is going to be a good go-to for me, so I'm excited to have this nice pink toned washi because look how pretty that is. But yeah, this came out super cute. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me flip through all the new things from Planything, making this cute little spread. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.